The alarm rang loudly at 6:30 a.m. Anna groaned softly and reached out to silence it. Today was an important day. It was her first day at her new job. She sat up slowly, the morning light filtering through her curtains.
"Okay, Anna, you can do this,"
she whispered to herself. Downstairs, the kitchen was already warm with the smell of toast. Her mom was pouring tea into a cup.
"Morning, Mom. I'm going to work today."
Her mom smiled.
"Lovely, dear. Good luck. You'll do great."
"Thanks, Mom. Bye."
She grabbed her bag, gave her mom a quick hug, and stepped outside. The air was fresh, the sky still soft and blue. Her dad was standing by the car.
Come on, first day, huh?
Yes. He handed her the keys.
Good luck, Anna.
"Thanks, Dad."
Anna drove through quiet streets, her heart thumping with excitement and nerves. The city was waking up slowly. She arrived at the office building, parked carefully, and took a deep breath before entering. At the front desk, she introduced herself.
"Hi, I'm Anna Roberts. Today's my first day." "Welcome, Anna. Please take the elevator to the 5th floor."
"Thank you."
As she stepped out of the elevator, a man greeted her with a smile.
Good morning. You must be Anna. I'm Mr. Parker.
"Yes, nice to meet you."
Linda will show you around. Linda?
A woman appeared, cheerful and warm. Hi, I'm Linda. Ready for a tour?
"Absolutely."
Linda walked Anna through the office. That's the meeting room, there's the break area, and here's your desk. Anna looked at it with a smile. Wow, it feels like my birthday. Linda laughed. Well, here are your birthday gifts. Pens, notebook, computer, phone, and coffee mug. Thank you. By the way, where are you from, Anna? I'm from Portland. Just moved here last month. Welcome. If you need the printer, it's in the right corner. Fax machine is beside it. Coffee machine is down the hall. Perfect. And if I have questions, just ask me. Ready to meet the team? Ready. Linda called out, Everyone, can I have your attention? Meet Anna, our new colleague. Anna smiled nervously. Hi, everyone. I'm Anna, 24 years old, from Portland. I'll be working in marketing. Welcome, said a friendly voice. I'm Susan. What did you do before this? I just finished my degree in communications. This is my first job.
You'll do great,
said Tom.
I'm Tom. Been here 4 years.
Nice to meet you. I'm looking forward to learning.
Do you live far from here?
Not really. Just 5 kilometers away.
Single or taken?
Someone joked. Anna laughed. Still single. Everyone laughed and welcomed her warmly. After lunch, a woman approached her. Hi, Anna. I'm Kelly. I'll help with your training. Nice to meet you. Where should we start? First, your working hours. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Lunch break, 1.5 hours. I'll send the company rules by email. Sounds good. We have some practices here, mainly how to treat customers. I had an internship in customer support. Perfect. Let's practice a few phrases. They practiced, how can I help you today? I'll look into that and get back to you. Thanks for your patience. Anna repeated them confidently. Kelly nodded in approval. You're learning fast. By 4:50 p.m., Anna returned to her desk. The office was quieter now. Linda walked by. How was your first day? Great, I feel good about it. You did well. See you tomorrow. Anna packed up, stepped into the elevator, and looked at her reflection in the mirror. She smiled. Outside, the sun was setting. She walked to her car slowly, thinking about everything she had learned. It was just the beginning, but a very good beginning, and she was ready for whatever came next. The front door clicked open as Anna stepped into her house. The familiar scent of lavender and warm wood filled the air. She sighed, dropped her bag gently by the shoe rack, and took off her heels. I'm home, she called out. Her mom peeked out from the kitchen. There you are. How was it? Anna smiled, walking in. It was really good, better than I imagined. I met so many kind people. Come sit, I made your favorite, lemon chicken and rice. Ah, perfect, I'm starving. Anna sat at the dining table while her mom brought over a steaming plate. She took a bite and let out a contented sigh. This is exactly what I needed. Her mom sat across from her, watching with a soft smile. Tell me everything. So Anna told her about Mr. Parker at the entrance, about Linda's cheerful tour, about the team and the little jokes, about the phrases she practiced with Kelly, and how the day flew by. Her mom nodded along. Sounds like a wonderful first day. It really was. I paused, her voice a little softer. I was nervous, but everyone made me feel welcome. After dinner, Anna helped clear the table. She washed the dishes slowly, staring out the kitchen window. The sky outside was now deep blue, dotted with stars. Upstairs in her room, she changed into cozy pajamas and sat by her window with a cup of chamomile. She opened her journal and wrote, Day 1 complete. Met kind people, learned new things, didn't panic, smiled a lot, already feel like I belong. She closed the journal and looked around her room. Her plants, her bookshelf, her favorite poster on the wall, everything looked a little different now, brighter, more exciting. Her phone buzzed. New message from Linda. Great job today, Anna. Looking forward to working more with you. Anna typed back. Thank you, Linda. I'm happy to be part of the team. She set the phone down and leaned back against her pillows. Tomorrow would be another busy day, but she wasn't afraid. She was ready. For the first time in a long time, she felt like her life was truly beginning. She turned off the light, pulled the blanket up to her chin, and whispered to herself, You did it, Anna. You really did it. Then, with a peaceful heart, she fell asleep. Vocabulary and phrases from the story. First day at work, the beginning of a new job. Excited and nervous. Common emotions before starting something new. Break area, a space where employees relax or eat. Marketing department, a section of the company that deals with advertising. Customer support, helping customers solve problems. Training, learning how to do a job. Company rules, guidelines for how employees should behave. Look into something, to check or investigate. Fax machine or printer. Office equipment for communication and printing. You did well. Praise given for good work. Familiar, something you know well or recognize. Example, vocabulary and phrases from the story. The familiar scent of lavender filled the air. Contented, feeling happy and satisfied. Example, she let out a contented sigh. Starving, very hungry. Example, I'm starving. I haven't eaten since lunch. Welcome, to make someone feel accepted or at home. Example, everyone made me feel welcome. Cozy, warm, comfortable, and relaxing. Example, she changed into cozy pajamas. Journal, a notebook for personal thoughts. Example, she opened her journal and began to write. Buzzed, made a short sound or vibration, like a phone notification. Example: her phone buzzed on the table. Belong: to feel like you're a part of something. Example: I already feel like I belong. Common English phrases from the story. I'm home. A common phrase when you arrive at your house. Tell me everything. A friendly way to ask someone to share all the details. Exactly what I needed. Used when something is perfect or very helpful at that moment. Sounds like a wonderful first day. A polite and encouraging way to respond to someone's story. Thank you, Linda. I'm happy to be part of the team. A professional and friendly way to reply in a work setting. You did it, Anna. You really did it. A way of congratulating yourself after achieving something. I already feel like I belong. A powerful expression of comfort and connection in a new place. Practice sentences. Repeat after listening. Good morning. Today is my first day. Can you show me where the coffee machine is? How can I help you today? Thank you. I really appreciate it. See you tomorrow.